Hi dear students, welcome back to the class. Last class we discussed about sound chapter. I think so all of you understood that chapter. Okay, today we are going to discussing that new chapter, electricity. What? Electricity. I think so all of you know about electricity. Electricity is the most important form of energy in our life now. Without an electricity, we are not able to work alive more. Electric energy is essential for daily life. You know that maximum all the electrical appliances that work because of electricity. It is maximum all the things. Now these times it is the most important form of energy. And you know that this electricity that does work related to the magnetism also. We already discussed this chapter last year. Electricity and magnetism. You know that when the electricity passes through the solenoid that act as a what? Magnet. That act as a what? Magnet. That is electromagnet. I hope you all already made that electromagnet. Yes. So today we are going to discussing this chapter. Is the most essential energy form in our life now. Now this time. Yes or no? Yes. You know that if there is no light, one day we are not able to. That means today there is no light. You just think about it. We just getting irritation. Why? Because that is our part. The electricity is a part of our life now. Yes. So electricity. What is this electricity? Electricity, that is a form of energy. You know that it's a form of energy. Okay. And see that electricity is the set of physical phenomena associated with the presence and motions of matter. Presence and motion of matter passing an electric charge. Here it is passing what? Electric charge. So the electricity that is related to the magnetism, both being part of the phenomenon of electromagnetism. Okay, we already know about this electromagnetism. Is it clear? Yes. So, what is electricity? Electricity is a set of physical phenomena and is associated with the presence and motion of matter that's passing an electric charges. That's passing an electric charges. Okay. You know, ampere. Ampere that is known as what? Electron in Greek language. Okay. Actually, in our days, he find out that one special property of this type. See, ampere. Ampere is a what? But fossil gum. Okay. Actually, this ampere word is come. Its meaning is what? Electron. Okay. This is from Greek. This is from Greek. Okay. So this ampere is I told you that it's a fossil gum. No, it's a straw yellowish color. Okay. When these ampere rubbed with the wood, that's time one strange property that comes up is find out our home ancient philosopher, that's our Thales. The Thales is an ancient Greek philosopher. Ancient Greek philosopher. What he done? No, he had that ampere. Ampere is a what? It's a fossil gum. Ampere is a what? Fossil gum. These fossil gum have the which color? Straw yellow color. Okay, it's rubbed with the woolen cloth, wool. Okay, so that's time this shows some strange property. This is attracting the bit of dry papers and dry water leaves and straws, something like this. All these are attracting towards it. Okay. After that, in our Gilbert, he also done the same experiment with the help of ebonite rod. So our Dr. Gilbert, he just reconstructed the experiment of our Thales. Okay, what he done? He just used the ebonite rod and the cat skin. Silk, sealing wax and wool, these he used and tried the same experiment. Is it clear? Okay. I hope all of you understood this electricity now. Once again, to explain, you know knows that electricity is the most important form of energy in our life. You know, that's a very essential for us. Okay, because most all the things that's a work or with the help of electricity only, that you know it. Okay. So here, electricity is a set of physical phenomena that is associated with the presence and the motion of a matter passing, that is possessing an electric charge. That is possessing an electric charge. Okay, you know that this electricity is also related to the magnetism. Electricity is also related to the magnetism. So both, that's being the phenomenon of what? Electromagnetism. Okay, and Ampere, that is a word electron. Ampere means what? Ampere which means what? That is an electron in Greek word. Okay. Ampere is a word, electron in Greek word. Actually, this ampere is a word, one of the fossil gum. And it have that straw yellow color. Okay. So when this ampere rubbed with the wool, that time this shows us some strange property. These observe our tails. Okay, these observe our tails. What the property it shows? Yes, this attracting what the bit of dry papers, leaves and straws, etc. It is attracting towards it. Okay, so this amber. After this amber is a what? Fossil gum. This is also in space. This is in Greek. In Greek, it's called as what? Electron. Okay. After that, one more scientist did the same experiment. No. Yes. Reconstruct this experiment. No. Yes. Who's that? Yes. Very good. That is what? Dr. Gilbert. Dr. Gilbert is also tried to reconstruct the same experiment with the help of ebonite rod, then what? Cat skin, then silk, last rod, the sealing wax, etc. He used wool, etc. He used to reconstruct this experiment. Okay. So these substances that acquire a strange property, these property we call as charged with electricity or electrified. So what is electricity? Electricity, that is a phenomenon due to which a suitable combination of bodies on rubbing get electrified. I think so. We are already played. This is in that with the help with the scale. With a scale ruler, no? Plastic ruler, we just rubbing on in our hair. After that it is stick on that dried paper, no? Bit of paper, so that is attracting, no? Yes, that is also what is electrified. That suitable bodies that rub together, the one body that is becomes electrified. Is it clear? So that is we call as for electricity. Okay, so this electron, that word that comes from Greek word which means that's what? Amber. Okay. Yes. See now, this is the plastic ruler. When this ruler that is rubbed with the woolen cloth, that will be what? What will happen? That will be get a electric charge. Okay. So see this is attract the bit of paper that is attracting to the ruler. So two suitable combination of the bodies when it is rubbed together, what will happen? This will be attract. Okay, which means these are electrified. This is electrified. Here I used the woolen cloth and what? Plastic ruler. Okay. In the same process, what I show now, the same process it's done Dr. Gilbert also, but he just reconstructed with the help he used the materials for ebonite rod. Okay, one charged ebonite rod, one Dr. Gilbert done with the help of two ebonite rod and glass rod and also cat fur and silk he used to reconstruct this experiment. Okay, the first experiment he done with two ebonite rod. Okay, two ebonite rod that is charged. Okay, first ebonite rod, that is what the ebonite, he took one ebonite rod and what rubbed in a silk, rubbed in a silk. Okay, after that is what freely suspended in a silk thread. Okay, after that he took another ebonite rod and that is also rubbed with a what silk thread, silk cloth, silk cloth. Okay, now these both ebonite thread is just close near it. What will happen, that both it is repelled each other. What happened, repel each other, because they have the same charges. The same charges always repelled each other, that you knows it. Okay, after the second experiment he took two glass rod, he took two glass rod and one glass rod that he turned the same way, what that is rubbed with a silk cloth. Okay, after that is freely suspended with a what silk thread only. After he took the second, after he took the second glass rod and that is also rubbed with the what, rubbed with the silk cloth. Okay, now we again just try the same experiment, just to proceed with the first glass rod. Okay, what will happen, that is also repelled, because the both are having the same charges. Here both we have used the same material for rubbing. Okay, and third experiment what he used, you know, he just used one glass rod only. Okay, he just used one glass rod. The glass rod that is he rubbed with a glass rod that is rubbed with silk. Okay, the glass rod that is rubbed with the silk after he freely suspended, after he freely suspended in a suspended with a thread. Okay, then he took one ebonite rod. He took one ebonite rod. Now this also having charges, this also having charges, but the glass rod that is rubbed with the what, silk cloth. After he took what, this ebonite rod. The ebonite rod here rubbed with what, rubbed with the cat skin. Okay, cat skin. So now this also charged. When these both are close near to it, so that time what will happen, these both are attract each other. What? Attract each other. Okay, so he find out what the opposite charges are attract each other, the same charges repel each other. So did you understand this experiment? Okay, so once again want to know about the opposite charges, that is what attract each other, and the same charges repel each other. Okay, thank you.